If you want to be a legend in your own kitchen, I have two words: cherry tomatoes. It's the season and it's salad season, and nothing goes better in a salad than a cherry tomato. However, when you put them in whole, as a lot of people do, I've done it myself, how do you stab it? How do you jab it on your plate? You can't. So I have an easier, better solution, especially got a fresh salad, got local cucumbers, local carrots, local lettuce, local cherry tomatoes. These came from my neighbor. This is just the perfect time of year. So you can slice them up. You want them sliced up in your salad. You can slice them up one by one. That might take a little while. Let me show you a great way to avoid all that effort. And that is take two deli lids. If you don't have two deli lids, you can also use lids from just one of these disposable containers. Here's what you want to do. Take the tomatoes and you put them on the lid. This lid, the one they go on, is right side up. The other lid you put on upside down, just like that. And then you take your knife and you just cut right between them. Now, just like that, your salad's ready. Look how colorful that is. Now, one way to make this easier for you is it's best and easier if the cherry tomatoes are generally the same size. If you have some really small ones, those might just have the top trimmed off. If you have one really big one, that's going to make everything kind of lopsided. So if you can get cherry tomatoes in the same size, it's going to work out well. Perfect for the summer, perfect all year round. But that is the shortcut du jour. And if you like this, please hit like, and even better, please subscribe. Thank you.